channel. Today I will be doing a clean my room quarantine edition because recently, I don't know about y'all, but because we've been on quarantine, my room has been a mess. Like, clothes are everywhere, water bottles, like my bed is never made because of quarantine. I'm always sleeping, so it's like my room never gets cleaned up. So today, that's what I will be doing, finally cleaning my room because it really needs to be tightened up. So once I'm done cleaning my room, the next thing I'll be doing is staging my room. If you don't know what that is, stay tuned and you'll get to know all about the facts. Don't mind my hair. I'm currently getting my hair ready for the next style, so let's just not focus on this right now. So yeah, let's get started. I'm about to show you guys what my room looks like and then watch me clean up. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually tackle this over here. Let me tell you the backstory on this. I changed my room around, so I had to get this dresser in here so I can have more space in my room. And now I have to take the clothes that were right here out of the closet so that this can go in the closet, which I never ended up putting the clothes back because that was like a lot that I did that I'm doing. So the clothes are on the floor, and I think now it's time to put the clothes back up. So tell me in the comments, tell me how y'all's quarantine is going so far, because my quarantine has been boring. So this dress, I was actually supposed to wear it on my birthday weekend, but I couldn't because I never went out to dinner. So Mom, when you see this, so now all of the clothes are now on a hanger, ready to be hanged up like how they should have been a long time ago. Honestly, I didn't want to do this. Working towards this way of the room. I'm about to put some clothes away, put some dirty clothes away, and whatever else I have to do. I just forgot to take my thumbnail picture, so I just did that real quick because it's gonna be a transformation. I gotta get that on camera. Period. Put everything that's on here back to what it needs to be. Let me give y'all a quick little story on something that I used to do. So I used to cheer for the Junior Redskins cheerleaders, and look at there. It's giving Bob mushroom, like, yeah. It's like, no, I look bad right now, so it's no difference. Okay guys, we are officially done cleaning the room. Well, I'm done cleaning the room. I did the cleaning, but I'm done cleaning the room. So now we are going to move to saging. This is the sage that I'm using. I got it as a gift from my mother, and she got this from The Ritual. So I'll put that in the description box below so you can look at their page. Saging is what you use to cleanse the room, uplift the energy, remove the toxic and negative things, get higher vibrations, and all good things like that. So personally, I sage because I like to be in a positive area. I get down a lot. When I say down, I mean like I overthink, I doubt myself and things like that. So I sage to uplift myself, the energy around me, and just have good vibes. Today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a little different from my previous videos, but I hope you guys liked it. If you want more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video.